Tricks to identify support and resistance using option chain. So Bank Nifty spot closing is somewhere around 42,371 levels. So nearest strike price, my focus is strike price which is having 3x difference in open interest. So what is mean by this 3x? So here the nearest 42,371 is somewhere here. So nearest call and put option strike prices, just look at this. There is 21.6 lakh open interest at 42,500 call options. Same on the put option, just look at the 42,500 put option. It is 8 lakhs. It is almost the difference is 21.6 to 8 lakhs, almost 2.5x to 3x difference is there. So 42,500 level, as per option chain, it is kind of an important reference level. Precisely, it's not about support or resistance. First of all, it is an important reference level.